Hey Aquanauts, we're about to get in the water, but first we got a few things to cover. We're gonna install the battery, we're gonna install the floater, and we're gonna talk about where the action cameras mount. We've got our three colors with us here: Arctic White, Aqua Blue, and Space Blue. The Space Blue is my favorite, so we're gonna go with that one for now. First, to install the battery, you're gonna depress the latch here and take off the battery cover. There are two guides on the battery that help you align it properly. You're gonna match those guides into the White Shark and angle down, press firmly. Make sure it doesn't wiggle loose. If you just put it in flat and lock it, it'll pop right out. Now you're gonna take the cover, slide it back on, and make sure it locks securely as well. If you're not using the floater, you're ready to go. You can secure your action camera onto the mount right in front. If you are using the floater, the action camera mount helps you secure it, and there's another mount on top of the floater that helps you install your action camera. You're going to slide the action camera mount and secure it loosely. You then depress the float onto the body until the suction cup secures, and tighten up the rest of your action camera mount. There you have the battery installed, the float installed, a new action camera mount on front, and testing it out, it starts up and is ready to run. If you're not a great swimmer, make sure you use the White Shark mix with the float installed. It's going to help you stay on the surface and keep you out of trouble. If you do want to go into deep water, don't use the floater, but make sure you have some kind of protection or use the buddy system to keep you safe. If you've got long hair, you can wear a hairnet or a swimming cap to keep the hair away from the blades. Your fingers should be safe from here, but small children could still get their fingers in, so make sure you supervise. When you're using the White Shark, it's ideal to use it in the water. Sand or other debris could get caught in the blades if you're not in the water, and it can really damage the product. After you're done using the White Shark mix, make sure to dry it thoroughly. If you use it in salt water, do a rinse in fresh water to take all the salt off.